I thank all the members जो participate किया है और support भी किया है. Actually, the scope of this ordinance and bill is regarding the reduction of the 30% salaries of the members, and this is the bill itself says that the salary allowance and pension of the members parliament amendment bill. Though many members they have supported, all have supported. Yes, I stand corrected, Mr. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary.
Yes, the entire house is supporting the bill. There is no.
I stand corrected. All the members who have participated, they have supported this bill. I am thankful for that. Adhir Ranjan ji, I request you, when you are speaking, entire treasury bench has listened. You should not disturb. You are a very senior member. Please listen to me. Then what you are doing? Please listen to me, na?
Yes, please.
Sir, you have to protect me. Otherwise,
definitely.
Without reply, let it be passed.
No, actually, he was supporting.
If they do not want to listen, how can I reply?
No, Honorable Minister, he was actually supporting the government. That the entire house is supporting this bill.
I would like to say, मैं इतना कहना चाहता हूँ, कई लोग शुरू से ही जो चर्चा शुरू की, इसमें तो एक चीज उठाया गया है कि इससे कितना पैसा मिलेगा, बहुत कम पैसा मिलेगा, इससे क्या होगा? This is all been questioned.
Please.
This is what even when the statutory resolution move करते हुए, that is also questioned, and even Adhir Ranjan ji told that it is a very small amount. This is not the question of big amount or small amount. The question is, charity should begin from the home. हमारे charity should begin from the home, and I am very happy that charity has begun from the house, that is Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. That is, I really congratulate all the members. Not only this, many members they have provided on this occasion. This is very unprecedented. See, when unprecedented things happen, when other things happen, natural calamity, when it has happened, and even now there is some flood in some areas, but it is limited to some specific areas. And even when war has taken place, it is between two countries, and in the border, mainly our focus is on border. But this is for the almost entire world, and the entire economy is also affected because of the lockdown and other things. When such things happen, we need to take some extraordinary decisions. So that's why I said the charity should begin from home, and even it reminds me that in Mahabharata Drona Parva, one famous saying is there, Natvam kamaye rajyam na swargam na punarbhavam kamaye dukkataptanam pranina artanashanam. इसका अर्थ है, मुझे किंगडम नहीं चाहिए, मुझे स्वर्ग नहीं चाहिए, मैं रीबर्थ से भी नहीं डरूंगा, बट आई डिजायर, मेरा डिजायर ये है कि जो प्राणी है उसका पेन अगर खत्म होता है तो, उसका दुख खत्म होता है तो, दैट शुड बी दी माय हाईएस्ट सेटिस्फैक्शन. ये तो हमारा महाभारत से है. इसीलिए गवर्नमेंट हैज टेकन ए डिसीजन दैट वी शुड बी रोल मॉडल टू द अदर्स. दैट्स व्हाई दिस डिसीजन इज टेकन and you have all supported. And regarding MP fund, you have raised the issue. I am telling, we have taken so many measures under the leadership of Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Government has taken unprecedented steps to contain this COVID-19, and even WHO and many world organizations, they have hailed, they have appreciated how the government of India and even many state governments and almost all the state governments, they have shown the concern. Even when Prime Minister has spoken to the many chief ministers, उन्होंने ये नहीं कहा कि सब कुछ हमने ही किया है। और हमको भी ये कहा था माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, जब इसका आप स्टेटमेंट वगैरह केंद्रीय मंत्री देते हैं, आप बहुत सतर्क रहिए। ये तो ये राज्य सरकार का, ये केंद्र सरकार का मामला नहीं है, इसमें पॉलिटिसाइज मत करो। ऐसे करते हुए हमने माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में हमने बहुत बड़ा निर्णय लिया है। 20 लाख करोड़ पैकेज इज गिवन, 20 लाख करोड़ एंड 1,76,000 करोड़ का गरीब कल्याण योजना जो हमने किया है, उसमें गरीब कल्याण योजना में अप टू नवंबर तक फ्री रेशन सबको मिल रहा है। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द पुअर पीपल आर गेटिंग फ्री रेशन। ऑलमोस्ट ऑल पुअर पीपल, गरीब लोगों के लिए रेशन मिल रहा है। और मनरेगा में हमने वेजेस भी बढ़ा दिया है और ऐतिहासिक निर्णय लेके हमने 40,000 करोड़ से ज्यादा इसमें बजट दिया है। इसीलिए इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए, रूरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए क्रिएट करके लोगों को रोजगार देना, ये सब काम मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हमने बहुत अच्छी तरह से किया है। जो कुछ भी एमपी लैड का निर्णय लिया है, दिस इज फॉर टेम्पररी 2 years that is been cleared and I appeal and some people said मोदी जी को 303 MPs मिला है, इसका अर्थ नहीं, हमको सुनना नहीं चाहिए। देखिए, मोदी जी को 300 सीट मिला है तो लोगों का समर्थन है, ये तो आप कभी भी भूल नहीं सकते हैं। आप कितना मिथ्यारोप सबने किया है, आप लोगों ने फिर भी मोदी जी को, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट रिसाउंडिंग विक्ट्री फॉर श्री नरेंद्र मोदी इन 2019 and some harsh measures have been taken to support the people, for the welfare of the people. In this context, I am really thankful you have supported the bill, and I once again request entire House to support. You have supported to pass this bill unanimously. Thank you very much, sir.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.